Hello everyone, and welcome to today's DIY interior design tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to creatively decorate your dishwasher's self-cleaning filter using various components found in the filter system. It's a fun and unique way to add a touch of style to your kitchen. Let's get started. First, gather the components we'll be using for this project. You can find these in your dishwasher's filter system. We have filter housing, mesh or fine mesh filter, coarse filter, microfilter, pump, drain valve, and more. Before we begin, think about the theme or style you want for your dishwasher's filter. Today, I'll show you 3 design ideas: rustic, ocean-inspired, and modern minimalist. Let's start with a rustic design. You can attach small twigs and artificial leaves to give it a natural, rustic look. Use hot glue to secure them onto the filter housing and mesh filter. This will create a charming woodland vibe in your kitchen. Next, let's dive into an ocean-inspired design. Paint the filter housing and microfilter with a soothing blue color to represent the sea. Attach small seashells and starfish to the components to complete the oceanic theme. For a modern minimalist design, keep it sleek and simple. Paint the components in a neutral color like white or gray. Attach minimalist decals or stickers to the filter access door and water inlet valve for a clean and contemporary look. Once your components are decorated, it's time to reassemble them. Carefully place each piece back into the dishwasher's filter system. Make sure everything fits snugly and securely. And there you have it. Your dishwasher's self-cleaning filter is now a unique and stylish addition to your kitchen. Whether you choose rustic, ocean-inspired, or modern minimalist, it's a fun way to personalize your space. I hope you enjoyed this DIY interior design project for your dishwasher self-cleaning filter. It's a simple yet creative way to add character to your kitchen. If you try any of these designs or have your own ideas, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.